cross you?
Is it hot in there? Oh. Alright, so we're about to go to Mountain Fork River, which is south of Broken Bow Lake, and we're going to go fish for trout and swim. Both of which should be pretty entertaining. We're at fishing spot number 1, which is my some sort of powerhouse thing.
What happened if they look?
I'm not sure how this works. If this is a fishing, you have to fish over the fence?
Yeah. That's a paper boat. Okay, I'll go to the first spot.
Yeah, this doesn't look very scenic or fish-like. So we're gonna go try spot number 2. Cole, are you gonna fish? Cole's gonna go swimming.
There, Dad?
Yeah, why?
Let's try it.
You gonna fish?
Heck yeah.
What's all over your lip?
Who's next?
Kool-Aid?
Red.
Red?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! But cold. Oh, it's hot. Where do you think I should cast that? Upstream and pull it down, or downstream and pull it up?
I would cast it downstream and pull it up.
Okay. Should I class you?
Yeah, tangle it up. Watch out behind you. Alright, so we've been here for about 30 minutes and I had one bite and that's it. And then Cade and Marita, no luck. So we're going to go find the rest of the crew and see if they've had any better luck. Because right here, not happening. Even though the lady across the way did catch one, but that's it. That's all the action we've seen over here. So let's move on. I think Chris is gonna take me somewhere. He just fell off of a rock and skinned his leg up pretty good. So I'm not sure why I'm following. Oh, this is where you're talking about?
You gotta climb this, climb up that, and then go around.
You had to climb that?
Yeah.
And that's where you fell?
I fell on the other side.
Oh.
My Snoopy pole. I'm gonna catch the trout with my Snoopy pole.
Now they want to leave already. It's like, they just want to fish and relax. They want to go, go, go. We're supposed to be on vacation. I don't get it.